Hello, Kenda friends. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 3 best Instagram story apps for Android. These apps will help you create captivating and stunning stories for your Instagram profile. So, let's dive right in. Storybeat. Storybeat is a video editing app specifically designed for Instagram stories. With this app, users can easily create and edit short video clips to be uploaded on Instagram stories. The app offers a variety of sound effects and music options that can be customized to match the video and create the desired atmosphere. Additionally, Storybeat provides a range of stickers and text that can be added to the video to enhance its appeal. This app is particularly useful for those who want to create creative and engaging Instagram stories. StoryArt. StoryArt is a graphic design app that allows users to create beautiful and captivating Instagram stories using a wide range of design tools. The app provides numerous ready-to-use templates with various themes such as travel, food, lifestyle, and more. Users can easily add photos, text, stickers, and customize font styles and colors to their liking. Furthermore, the app also offers image cropping and refining features that allow users to edit their photos before uploading them to Instagram stories. StoryArt is a great choice for those who want to create aesthetic and appealing Instagram stories. StoryLab. StoryLab is a photo and video editing app specifically designed for Instagram stories. The app offers a variety of filters, effects, stickers, and text that can be easily added to photos or videos to enhance the appearance of Instagram stories. Users can also edit their photos with cropping, refining, and adjustments such as brightness, contrast, and saturation. StoryLab also provides creative transition effects to merge multiple photos or videos into a compelling story. This app is suitable for those who want to create creative and stunning Instagram stories. And there you have it, the 3 best Instagram story apps for Android. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.